How to change your PayPal Mastercard pin, right? So this is really easy thing and you can do it very easily. So once you have logged in into your PayPal, by the way, you can also follow this tutorial if you're using it or trying to change it in your phone, wherever you have logged in your PayPal. On the top right, you will get this option, take your mouse there or click on it and you will get option of account settings. Now go to the account settings here and basically so it's loading right now, and then you will get option of payment preferences, right? So you can just update it from here, but sometimes you will not get any option to update it from here. Now what's the next thing you can do it? So just go to pay and get paid, click on it, go to banks and card, right? And once you go and click here cards, so basically it will show you all the cards which you added. Right now it's my debit card, that is Visa. If you have added your Mastercard, click on it and you will be able to edit each and every information, right? So that is really easy. And basically, and once you have you can just link a card or you can also cancel it out, right? So this is how you can do it. I hope you found this video very useful. Subscribe.